Buying plants from nursery can be quite expensive sometimes, but there are many plants that can be easily grown from cutting. So today I'm going to show you some easy to grow plants from cutting without spending any money. Let's get started. First plant and the most easiest plant is this money plant. It is very easy to grow from cutting. Use a healthy plant without any disease or any infections, and use sharp and clean scissors to snip off the cutting. For the cutting, you need to look for node. Node is from where the leaf comes out. You need to cut just below it. You can get multiple cuttings from a single stem. As you can see here, there are a lot of leaf nodes, so you need to cut just underneath the leaf node. You can plant them directly into the soil, or you can also plant them in water. Both the ways work absolutely fine. Make sure to remove the bottom leaves near the node, as they may end up rotting. Next on my list is this beautiful singonium. You can propagate it from the runners like these. You can clearly see the roots coming out of it, and you can bury them in the soil. Singonium can be propagated in the same way as money plant. You can bury them in soil and as well as in water. Make sure to bury the aerial roots in the soil, as it will help in root growth. This one I am propagating in water. Next plant is this snake plant. Snake plant can be propagated from its leaf, as there is no stem in it, so we need to take at least 3 to 4 inch of the leaf, and from the same leaf you can make another cutting and make sure it is at least 3 to 4 inches in length. This can be planted in soil as well as in water. It will grow roots and become a new healthy snake plant. Just don't forget where you have made the cut, because you need to put the cut part in the soil or in water, and you should not invert the leaf, as you might forget which one was the lower part and which one was the upper part. Last plant on my list is this mother of thousand plant. This plant is a really unique plant, because on the edge of this leaf you can see there are little leaves coming out, and these can be used to make a new plant. Some of these leaves automatically fall by themselves in the same pot, and they grow into new plants. You can take them out from the pot, or you can use these leaves on the edge, and you can take them out gently, and you will see very tiny thin white roots actually developing on these little leaves. This is probably the easiest way to propagate this plant, because you just need to sprinkle these tiny leaves on the soil and they will develop into new plants. You don't even need to bury them into the soil. You just need to sprinkle them and it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll come up with new video very soon, and also I'll give you the update of these cuttings. Till then, happy gardening.